Today we're going through the 10 top voted shoe and apparel deals as voted by you, the Slick Deals community. We gathered info on all these deals below, and should you buy something, Slick Deal may get a small commission, but that does not affect how we rank these deals because they are not ranked by us, they are ranked by you. Starting off with deal number 10 from Macy's, they have select Asics and Fila men's running shoe on sale starting at $30. Now, Fila used to be popular when I was a teenager, which is a long time ago, but they're back, so check out and see what kind of running shoes they got. Number 9, Converse is offering an additional 30% off select sale styles using coupon code SPRING30. This brings some shoes down to less than $20, and it's not those funky rainbow colors either. They're actually colors you want to wear out in public. Number 8, Tilly's is having up to 70% off women's clearance items, and you get free shipping using coupon code SLICKFS. Number 7, Kohl's has select men's Under Armour jackets on clearance right now, and you can get $15 Kohl's cash if you spend more than $50 between now and March 1st. Number 6, Banana Republic Factory is offering extra 50% off clearance items, plus you get an additional 15% off using coupon code BANANA. Again, that's my favorite coupon code name, BANANA. Number 5, Under Armour had select men's graphic tees on sale for $13. Now it's actually down to 1, so they have a men's select graphic tee on sale for $13. You get free shipping with promo code SLICKFS. Number 4, Dick's Sporting Goods has the men's Patagonia Nano Puff jacket on sale for $100. Full price is $200, so you're saving a lot of money here, and it's a really cool jacket. Not as cool as the Giga Puff jacket though. Number 3, this is the top voted shoe deal of the week. It's from Macy's, where they have select men's Levi sneakers on sale starting at $16 using coupon code SAVE. Number 2, Target has select retro graphic t-shirts on sale starting at $8. Tons of selection. I'm sure you find something you like. The top voted clothing and apparel deal of the week is from Marmot. They have the men's minimalist jacket on sale for $75. Shipping is free. It's probably the tiniest jacket you'll ever see. I don't know, I didn't look at it, but I'm sure it's true. But well, we're keeping all of this. I'm not doing it again. As always, thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, and if you want more info on the deals, check out the links in the description below.